हेलो फ्रेंड्स, वेलकम टू मैक स्टडी पॉइंट। इस वीडियो में हम डायमेंशनलेस नंबर के बारे में डिस्कस करते हैं। यह हमारा 7th वीडियो है। पुराने वीडियो को देखने के लिए डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स को चेक करें। सो लेट्स वी मूव। द फर्स्ट number is the Froude number. Froude number is the ratio of inertia force to the gravity force. It means their formula is Fr is equal to the V by root of G dot L. G is the gravity acceleration and L is the length of pipe and V is the velocity. So we can easily calculate the Froude number by this formula. So we have need the velocity of moving fluid and G is the 10 and length of pipe. So next is Bevan number. It is the ratio of inertia force to the surface tension force. So this formula is like rho dV square upon sigma is the surface tension and rho is the density of fluid and d is the diameter of pipe and v is the velocity of moving fluid. So we can easily the calculation of Bevan number also this by this formula. And next, Mach number. It is the ratio of local flow velocity to the speed of a vacuum, speed of sound in vacuum. So the formula of Mach number is equal to the local flow velocity by the speed of sound by volume. मतलब V by C. So there are the more questions asked in the JEE exams is like on the basis of Mach number, like a numerical basis V by C. So given the velocity and the speed of sound in vacuum, you know very well in number it is like a constant, so we can easily calculate the Mach number. So there are the some Mach numbers value for different like subsonic flow, sonic flow, hypersonic flow, and when they less than the Mach number value less than the 1, so that type of flow is known as a subsonic flow, and which the Mach number have a 1 to 6 value, so that type of flow is sonic flow, and next is greater than 6, so that type of flow is known as a hypersonic flow. So this type of also numeric also theoretical basis question asked in a competitive exam. So next is the Reynolds number. It is the ratio of inertia force to the viscous force like this. So Reynolds number is equal to the rho Vd by mu. Mu is the dynamic viscosity and rho is the density and v is the velocity, d is the diameter. We can also take a length of pipe in replace of D, right? So we can also calculate the Reynolds number by this formula. So we have need the velocity and the diameter and density and viscosity. So when the Reynolds number less than 2000, so that type of flow is laminar flow, and the value of Reynolds number is greater than 2000 and less than 4000. So that type of flow is transition flow, and less than 4000, so that type of flow is turbulent flow. So रेनॉल्ड नंबर के बारे में हम पुराने वीडियो में बता चुके हैं। उस वीडियो को देखने के लिए डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स में लिंक दिया हुआ है। सो नेक्स्ट number है यूलर नंबर. It is the ratio of inertia force to the pressure force like this. So Euler number is equal F by rho v square L square. F is the inertia force. Inertia force, it means F is equal to the product of mass and acceleration. So F upon rho is the density and V is the velocity and L is the length of pipe. So we can also easily calculate the Euler number by this formula. And this formula also asked in many competitive exam directly from these equations. So this is all about a dimensionless number of fluid mechanics. If this video is useful for the competitive exam, so we like, share and subscribe the channel. Thank you for watching my video.